Me wey dey find who I wan sleep with this night. I dey go through a lot. Baba, the way things cost now, if na Timaya be plantain seller, if I no make am. Plantain now dey very expensive. See M.O.P slip of tongue. M.O.P forehead be like Nigeria economy. You no go understand am. Make you comot cap, your eye go clear. Asoro, my guy, DJ, thank you for sponsoring. The way you like M.O.P, you wan sleep with am. Everywhere powered by M.O.P. For my picture, say they write powered by DJ. You be NEPA. Papa, you wey dey close to DJ, the share say you don comot. You just show say you never make am. You just dey wan associate with people wey don make am. Give big man space. Invest in BTC. Now I go dey tell girls say stay with me, I will make it. Baba, no where again. Nigeria is in a state of shetima now. Baba, things don't cost. Even I go save, no fit save money now. Ha! See people where they say this year no agree for anybody, no agree for anybody, no agree sleep. All of us they are awake by this time they listening to M.O.P slip of tongue. Wetin did they contribute for the economy? This Nigeria, anything where you dey do now, you guys add another work join am. My neighbor na Ashawo na runs girl too. If she no catch online, she will catch offline. My guy wey dey do Yahoo, he dey thief too. If you no catch online, you catch offline. You guys dey creative. Even for half concept, our keeper get injury. As you see other keeper dey warm up, now he start to dey warm up. Say, I'm okay. You must get something doing. They go dey tell you say get 2 streams of income. You no go get one before you get 2. The only stream wey dey this Nigeria na stream of joy. What God cannot do, I go lie for you. Baba, graduate there now dey pity for. See, Asoro wey study engineering, he dey choose kit, Rufus, say na runs boy. Engineer wey no fit near engine. Baba, this Lagos they dey lie. Even freedom way traffic dey. Why do they call am freedom way? My first attack, I got it in first tag, man. Bro, no farmer for farm city. Na hot food there. For farm city, those girls, they are very crazy. Sexual intercourse is very expensive in Lagos, man. And they tell you, say, how much for a night? They say 150,000 for natural resources given to us by nation. Now my pig don't stand, though your own just flat. God. Now I tell the girls, say, anywhere I come, now come. I left that wicked farm city. I go to Total, celebrate grace. Baba, Sangote do Boiz. Baba, Total girls, very customer friendly. DJ, I go Total. I ask the girls, say, how much for a night? Say 30K, but they do promo 25. Say, nice. Bro, with accommodation, oh, that girl, now for my house. I tell the woman, say, let's go. And she senior me, and they fuck with respect. Mama, nipple. God, when you sleep with an older woman, you understand sexual transaction. We don't sleep with the woman feeling. The money I pay her, 25 back. She said she give me one small infection. I said, don't bother yourself. I use 20K to cure her. 45,000, I remain 105. I put her for Bitcoin. It rise. Sense. Guy, now Lagos be this. Port Harcourt boy, Malay. Who be that? Waiting be in there. Baba tomorrow na sit at home. Just they spray. I know they send money go village. Who be you? Who are you? Omo-Obi puss. You don't finish. Baba, you dey come quick. Throw bundle, no they spray this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I do this one and I go. For this Lagos, they know they stay one place for long. If you stay one place for 1 year, back out from that place, they go see you finish. They go tell you, say, God bless your neighbor. Be happy. God is your neighbor. Who not allow you. You God bless your neighbor. Back out. Now you go to pump water. I pack out from Sangote, I go Elaje movement. I reach there. DJ, my neighbor now shall celebrate grace. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around for my good. Yo, I dey wake up, as when they call me fine boy, you don't shop. Grace. I shop and I shop. Una good night, man.